for those of you who are ambitious and want to take on 2026 with a bang, and I'm thinking of adapting a new hobby or a new skill, or you want to learn something new within 2026, but you're having a hard time mustering up the courage and the conviction and motivation to do so, I just want to let you know, Rome wasn't built in a day. It was not built within a month, and I don't even think it was built within a year. It took decades. It took a long time. People didn't notice the day-by-day progression, but after a year, they noticed some change. After 2 years, they noticed even more change. After 3 years, they noticed even more change. So that same sentiment echoes within you as well. For those of you who want to learn something new, you're not going to see any change within the first couple of days. However, that doesn't mean that you should be discouraged from doing the thing. Not at all. If anything, that should encourage you to work even more and work even harder in order for you to see even the slightest semblance of progress, because it's in that progress that's what's going to motivate you to do even more and even harder and become even better. And then you're going to see more progress and then more progress, and then all of a sudden you're going to be adopting that habit as part of yourself. You're not going to think, oh, this is just something that I'm doing, that I'm learning. This is something that I am. This is something that's part of me. For example, a lot of people want to go to the gym. A lot of people want to get into good shape, be fit, have a six-pack, be healthy, get in muscle. But they won't see it in the first day. Rome wasn't built in a day. You have to do it again and again. Keep on going back, hitting your head against the wall. Not literally, but you know what I mean, figuratively. You have to keep on showing back day after day after day, even if it seems like there's no progression at all. Still, go back, lift them weights, eat good food, eat less food, and overall just do what you need to do. And as long as you're doing what you need to do, as long as you hit your goals, even if nothing's showing, over time, you have to trust the process. You have to have conviction. This is what I was saying before. You have to believe that it's going to work, and over time, slowly, you're going to gain progress. Even if you may not see it, some other people may see it, and that's what's going to make it all worth it in the end. At the end of the year, you're going to look back at what you've done and you're going to be proud. That's what it means that your younger self is going to be proud of you, or your future self is going to be proud for the effort that you put in today. At the end of the year, after you've gone gym for the whole entire year, day by day by day, then you're going to look back at the end and realize all of that has been worth it. You've got what you wanted. You've got that six-pack. You've got those muscle. You got whatever you need. You feel lighter. You feel heavier. You feel stronger. You feel whatever. You feel faster. Your reaction time's better. Your explosiveness is better. Your stamina's better. And you can physically feel that. You can mentally feel that. Even if it's academically, you're like, I want to lock in this year and really push myself hard. At the end of the year, day by day by day, even if you struggle in the first couple of months, that's all right. Pick yourself up, see where you went wrong, and then blast your exams out of the water in the end of the year. That's all I have to say. One more time, Rome wasn't built in a day. It's going to take time, but you've got this. Hopefully that helps.